And then you start to rock yourself forward and backwards and try to balance yourself. Try to find the balance of today. It's okay if it was something different yesterday, but the balance of today. And quite fast you can notice that you have to keep your knees a little bit bent. So good. We rock. We should have concerts soon.
Isantale, 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 where does I go? Isantale,
knee and the other arm goes back to the floor and stay there. And think of letting every in-breath lengthening gently the spine, and maybe the out-breath.
We're gonna spend approximately an hour doing some kind of exercises with our body and mind. And every time thought emerges, take it. Is it about coffee or tea or that I'm bored or anything? Take the thought and pass it along. Imagine the ball. Lift it with your back. Here.
So it really, you never get to the full extent. You always leave some movement at the ends. So I'm not going all close, but I'm leaving a little bit. And same thing with here. I'm not going, I don't extend to 100%. I'm leaving a little bit at the both ends.